everybody, welcome to another edition of RV Tips and Trips, and today is Monday, February 24th. So we are here in Quartzsite at BLM property known as the long-term visitor area, LTVA. There's 14,000 acres here of desert land, and as you can see, you don't have a lot of other RVs and campers around you. It's dispersed camping, and the fees are pretty darn cheap here. There is a dump station not too far away, and also fresh water is available, but otherwise it's dry camping. So 14,000 acres is pretty awesome. Great view of the mountains all around us. So and like I said, the camping is pretty well dispersed. This is my first time using an LTVA, and we are, even though it's long-term, they do have short-term camping available, 2 weeks for $40. So works out to less than $3 a day, which is pretty darn good. So we're going to stay here for the 2 weeks. I paid my $40, and I figure after 7 days we go and we'll take it to the dump station, dump and refill up fresh water, and then we can stay another 7 days. And we don't have to come to the same spot. We can pick another spot. You can just camp wherever. Very quiet here, typically. ATVs do run around here, but they're not allowed to kick up any dirt, so they can't just go tearing down the roads here and making a bunch of noise and that. So that's pretty good. So if people winter down here from all over Canada and that, I see someone over there with a Canadian flag flying over their rig. So the winter season, which is the peak season here, runs from September through April. So you, for $180, you can stay here from September to April, which is really cheap. And then you wouldn't want to be here in April anyway. I would think come the end of March, you're going to want to move out of here, because I think it's probably going to be way too hot. Today was beautiful. It was about 68 degrees. Tonight it'll go down into the 40s. So, but it's going to get progressively warmer. There is camping from April through September, and that's another permit, and that one is $70 to go from April to September. Really cheap at that point, but then I don't think anybody really wants to be out here in the desert when it's 110, 120 degrees. So I certainly wouldn't plan on it. Great thing about this is that you buy your pass for the September through April, and you can come and go as you please. So if you want to stay here a couple of weeks and then you want to move somewhere else, you can. They put a sticker on the trailer and on the truck. So here's the thing. So you could conceivably camp here for a while, leave, go somewhere else, and then come back. Now, there are different areas or entrances into the LTVA, and they're down all the way down to Yuma, all the way up to Quartzsite. This is La Posa North. There's another entrance, La Posa South, which is the one that has the dump station, and then there's a La Posa West, and there's a couple of others. So just a lot of camping available. Of course, like I said, over 14,000 acres. You can just easily find a place. What I have found is when you come in off the main highway, this is off just off of 95, and I-10 is not too far from here. But the further in you go into the LTVA area, the more dispersed the camping is. There's less and less people. They seem to stick together closer to the road. This way a lot of people like to take their bicycles and go to downtown Quartzsite. So we came in not too far, but a decent distance into the LTVA. But you can go even further down, and there's less and less campers out there the further out you go. So it's pretty cool. So actually, it's a very nice place. We're running our generator right now. I still don't have solar set up on this new rig yet. I'm still deciding what I want to do, whether I want to use maybe just a suitcase system and say the heck with installing a system on the roof. I don't know. I haven't decided what I want to do. So I mean, it's not difficult taking the generator out and running it for a few hours a day to charge the batteries back up. The battery bank certainly can hold up for a couple days without even having to charge it. So, but that's a discussion for another video. Okay, so until next time, happy camping, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, and please share. Channel's grown quite a bit. We're just shy of 600 subscribers. Need to get to 1,000. So if you would share my videos and give me a thumbs up, that will help make the channel grow a lot more quickly. And if you decide you want to go shopping on Amazon, if you'd use one of my links to take you to Amazon, and then you go anywhere within their website, and if you make a purchase, I may get a small commission, so that helps us out a little bit too. So appreciate it. Until next time, happy camping. Bye. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.